Good day everyone and welcome to the Freedom channel. This is going to be a new tutorial of my personal way of how I use OBS. There could be many other ways of how professional it can, but I'm going to show you my tricks. As I'm getting old, I thought this might be perfect. So I think the first lesson for today is setting up your OBS when you have it brand new. Now remember, this is my way, so you can go to another video, it's up to you, but yeah, this is how I set everything up. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either connect account and then do a running test. As a Twitch streamer, and I use YouTube as well, so I kind of need that. But for people who really want to get really technical, so this is how you do it. So this video we're going to be doing the simple tricks. So let's start off with video here. So as you can see here, I have a 16 by 900. You may have a powerful computer. That's fine. So you'll have to work with your base canvas resolution, but this is my natural thing because I like to have old school monitors. And then what I did is the output scale resolution, so it makes the OBS a little bit more better and easier to use. Now, your downscale feature, there are multiple ways. There is the 32-bit and then there's the 16-bit. I'd keep it nice and clean around the 16-bit if you're a streamer. Content creator, kind of want to bring it up. But this, I'm kind of focusing on Twitch streaming. I'll probably focus on recording soon on the next video. So because I like to put 60 frames, I've put my output on 450. Now, it can differ with YouTube and Twitch because they have certain limits apparently, but I don't see any difference. So what I've done is, because I'm doing 720 60 frames, 4500 is good for me. Not to mention, when it comes to kilobytes per second, it's also going to be using your upload speed as well. So say for instance, let's go on speedtest.net. So as you can see here, the upload megabytes is 30.88. So 30.88 megabits per second to kilobytes, that is 30,880. Audio bitrate, I always leave at 192. Now, if you've got an NVIDIA, I would strongly recommend you doing this one here rather than that. Now, your encoding presets, if you've got a RTX in a high grade thing and you think your stream could run good, I would put it either to slow. I wouldn't go all the way to that, but I put mine to medium and it's still got a nice little quality. Audio, we'll just leave that as it is. Because we're doing streaming stuff first, I'll cut around to the recording on the next video. For your advances here, you can leave as normal. If you don't want people to stream snipe you, you can always put a stream delay, depending on how many seconds you want it. Process priority, if you set it to high, as personal experience, do not do that. If your stream's kind of lagging and you're getting an overload encoding, try above normal, but I'm keeping it on normal. If you don't feel like you want to use that, then just go to your output and change it to either low quality. But the thing when it comes down to YouTube streaming and Twitch streaming, you can just either get your own random server, blah, 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 or you can just go straight to here like I'm doing now. So as an example, I'm going to be using Twitch. You can either get the Steam key from the sites, either on YouTube or Twitch, or just connect your account, which I preferred. And I'm already logged in, ready to go. Even though if it says 6000 kbs, I still recommend just doing 4500 if you're doing 720p, 60 frames. And once you applied and set up either on Twitch or on YouTube, you'll get these side bits here, which is pretty good. But we're not going to be using that. As you can see, I've got loads of different things here. And if you're a new OBS person and learning how to do stuff, I'll make a video of how to get kind of like plugins for it. So that's kind of an introduction of how to kind of set up your OBS. In my way, of course. Soon we're going to be showing you how to do kind of like intros, starting soon.
Another notch in our belts, boys!
We've got loads of it. Not to mention, I'm going to show you how kind of you can separate your audio. If you've got a mix audio like I have here, which I use the Still series. So I use Sonar. And I've separated all the mixing of like voice sounds, gameplay and stuff and put it into one bit here. The thing is, when you first start your streaming and you're very new to this, you will have one of these kind of default desktops, so it will hear everything. For me, I like to kind of balance the game chat as well as my friends chat and media chat. But if you don't want to use mixer stuff, then you just feel free to put your desktop audio on there and then your mic. You only need 1 and 2, and that's about it. Simple rate, always keep at 480. And also in the future, we're going to show you how to do alerts and donation icons and other cool stuff. But I promise you the next video will be a lot longer. So let's go.